हेलो फ्रेंड्स। टेक्स्ट मास्टर में आज हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज हाई इंटेंशन लाइन एंड लो इंटेंशन लाइन. So type on Google what is high intention line. First of all, we learn high intention line. So the searching result is that some websites are open. So you can correct this in electrical. So first of all, we go in first link by increasing what is the electric and magnetic. So first of all, we learn fields. Electric and magnetic fields, often referred to as electromagnetic field, EMF, occur naturally and as a result of power generation, power transmission, distribution, and use of electric power. EMF is a field of forces created by electric voltage or current. They occur around electrical devices on everywhere power lines. So we search what is high tension 11. So here are the searching result is that some searches are very delay. So what is high tension line? Again search this. Internet is very slow, so that's why our searching is not good. I refresh this and again search. Now it's unsearched. So here our research paper review. First of all, based on completely mastering 8 plus kVA transmission technologies, the first is direct current transmission demonstration. Project has been constructed based on completely mastering plus minus 8 kVA transmission technologies. The first living kVA transmission demonstration is being constructed in China, combining theoretical analysis and a large number of experiments occurs. That's really good. The margin switching over voltages convert station, the configuration scheme and performance of lightning errors, the shielding angles of ground lines under different geographical conditions, and the maximum air gaps of lines have been determined. The switching impulses, flash power characteristics of equidistant sphere and typical road airplanes, construction to equipment, and the switching impulses splashed over gaps are also provided. The external insulation is diagnosed different of light, medium, and heavy population. areas for the 1 kV project. If the 8 cross section mm conductor are applied, so the pole gap is 2.5 nanometer, and this is the biggest margin ever. So we, for our ease, the key design point: 11 kVA converter transformer smoothing reactors. 11 kV are successfully made the optimized hierarchical are successfully made the optional hierarchical connection modes and combination control measure, and the 11 kV project are studied in below. So maximum lightning. So here DC epipolar keys technology. So we back and we will learn from a new website or tab. So we determine HTA cable. Can someone, as there is no interaction between them? So here is the questioning and answering of the problems and solution. LV, electrical safety standards for LV. So here, right clearance as per Indian rules, Central Electricity Authority, right way clearance as per CO2, minimum clearance between electrical lines, permissible minimum ground clearance of electrical line, clearance of telephone line crossing power line, vertical clearance between electrical line and railway track, voltage low and medium voltage, flat roof, open balcony when the line pass a building or a vertical clean highest point, low medium voltage line pass adjacent horizontal clearance flow point, low and medium line pass above the vertical clearance, line passes adjacent the horizontal clearance, line passes above and any building of a part, line pass above or the any building a part of them up to 11 kV, line pass above building horizontal clearance near end conductor and the such building, 11 kVA to 33 kVA the horizontal clearance near conductor and the such building, above 33 kVA the horizontal clearance near conductor and the building, vertical clearance size 200 meter, 300 meter, 400 meter, safety clearance live part in outdoor substation 12 kV, 36 kV, 72.5 kV, 145 kV to 20 kV, 400 kV, 800 kV, power cord for power exchange overshield late underground telecommunication cable and underground power cable, voltage exceed 33 kVA, safety approach, person using manually operated tools, person using power operated tool, get access to premium HVMV technology article, electrical engineering guides, research studies, and much more. It helps to shape our electrical skills in our everyday life as an electrical engineer. So What minimum clearance should be maintained in indoor substations? 11 kVA high tension, low tension panel for electricity. It is the standard in all over the world. Measurement of insulation of resistance. So there is a very big article. Maximum voltage equipment 15 kVA highest 1000 per volt server per mega ohms, 25 kV 500 volts to 18,000 mega ohms, 35 kV 15,000 volts 10,000 mega ohms, 69 kVA 15,000 volts. So IR value of insulation resistance tests are made determine insulation resistance from individual winding to ground or between individual winding. Insulation resistance tests are commonly measured directly in mega ohms or may be calculated from measurements of applied voltage and leakage current. The recommended practice is measuring insulation resistance is to always ground to tank and the core short each winding of transformer at the bushing terminal. Resistance measurement are then made between each winding and all other winding grounded. So this is the diagram of the winding of core in tension transformer never left floating. The insulation resistance solid duty ground winding. How much have the ground removed in order to measure the insulation resistance of the winding ground? If the ground cannot be removed in the case of some windings with solid ground neutral, low insulation resistance of giving winding cannot be measured. Treat its